We also want to check that jQuery is working okay, and we want to take a look on how it's used within WordPress. WordPress comes with its own version of jQuery. Normally, you need to access it by typing jQuery, lowercase j, uppercase Q, and then document, ready, and we create a function here which will have the $sign. And inside here, we can use the $sign as we usually do with jQuery. If you're not familiar with jQuery, what I've just done is type the sort of entry point for our jQuery code. Anything that goes inside here, any JavaScript code here, will be executed after the page is fully loaded and available for us to access and modify. Now I wanna make it so that when I click on Add to Wish List, I get an alert box saying hello, same as we did before. We want to select this by its ID. I've entered an ID when I created this link, and the ID is this one here. And I'll show you how to select an element by an ID. So you use the $sign, and then hash symbol means that we're selecting something by its ID. Now we want to have some code executed when you click on this link. And this code will be alert hello. Now that's just a very basic, that's a really basic thing you can do with jQuery. There are entire courses on jQuery, and I don't think it's possible to give a complete overview of jQuery in just one lesson. But this will do for what we need in this example. So I'm going to reload the page now and click, and I get hello. Now, whenever you want to explore the DOM, the structure of the page, or you want to see if you have any errors in your JavaScript code, if you're using Firefox like I am now, you have to install a plugin called Firebug, and it allows you to inspect elements, inspect with Firefox. That's where I need it. So, for instance, I can see that this element here has a certain ID, a certain href, certain value. If you're using Chrome or Safari, there's also the inspect element option, which will give you a very similar console and panels here. In the console, you will see if there's any JavaScript errors. In this case, we don't have any. All right, so we're all ready now to add the actual and to get into the actual Ajax code, so that when we click Add to Wish List, a request is sent to our server and we get a response. We're not going to be saving the wish list, the wished items yet. That we'll do in the following lesson. We just want to sort of ping the server and get a response back.